What's up everybody? So in today's video we are going to do some high-speed dance photography with Mia with the I think it's called the FV200 Godox light, which is like a continuous video light, which is on now, and it can flash. So we'll use this for all the B-roll. So maybe I'll take some photos with the video light. I'll talk through it, and then I'll switch it to flash, and then we'll do some flash stuff, and then all the B-roll will be done with this light. And then we're going to switch to the gray background a bit later and then do some dark background shots. I'm going to try explain what I'm doing. So this is 100% power now. I'll drop it down if I put it closer to it. If I'll put it up, I'll try and explain what I'm doing. And then, yeah, I hope this is informative. If you want to get one of these, I'll put a link below. Yeah, let me know what you think. So this is 250th of a second, 120 frames a second for slow-mo. So you can see it's not flickering, which is quite cool. Okay, go. Okay, go. So we are at 1000th of a second with the LED light on now, and we'll see how this goes. Okay, give me a 1 or 2. Nice. Let me do one more of those. I just want to do it on high speed. So I'm doing this one at high plus on the Sony a7iii, so go for it. I think you must pop up to your knee earlier, because I think you're dragging it out like you would dance it. Try and do it like a photo. Here you go. Okay, so we have switched to the LED flash. And I'm going to start at full power and we'll just see how this looks. Oh. Just stand in the middle for me, quick. Okay. Nice. One more. I think your front leg can go higher. Good. I'm going to try and put this on very high shutter speed, so we'll go right up to 8000 just to see. So it's much darker now, and it's on full power, so we'll have to push up the ISO quite a bit. So this is 8000 of a second, this is 2000 ISO, full power flash. Okay, try another one. Yeah, no, ninja. Okay, we're going to go down to 2500 ISO shutter speed, and let's just test it. Okay, now we're on 500 ISO. Nice. Okay, next up we're going to try see if we can make this flash fire for a whole sequence of shots. So full power wasn't working, so this is 8th power. High plus, and this is 8th power, which is working pretty well, but now it's a bit dark, so we're going to have to put our shutter speed down to say 1000. Yeah, it's not bad. 1000 shutter speed, 1.8, 500 ISO, and we're on 8th power flash. Okay, so let's see if we can make a whole sequence go. So do the same jump. So on 8th power, it managed to go through all of those shots. So what we're going to do is try to quarter power, see if that holds up. Okay, try another one. Same one, yeah. Also doesn't do too bad. So it seems like full power is the only one that doesn't make it through the whole sequence. Let's try half power, let's see if it holds. Okay, one more time. So even half power does this all the way through. Nice. We're going to do one more on full power just to see what happens, but it seems like full power needs a lot more time to get ready. Okay, go, one more time. Yeah, full power seems to do one really good shot and then not carry on. Okay, so we're going to try this again at half power. Okay. Yeah, it seems to work. Oh, it missed one. Oh, it missed every second one. That's not good. I wonder if that's a give it more time to recycle. Let's do quarter again. Do that jump again for me. Nice. So quarter seems to be fine. Half seems to be finicky, and then full power is not an option. So we've swapped to the grey background with the beauty dish on it. This is the LED again. We're going to take a few photos and then swap it to flash again. Even a little bit more forward because your hands extend over. Okay. Nice. That's a good one. I like it. I'm going to switch it to flash quick. Okay. Oh, it's actually very nice. There you go, in. So we are going to just try a few with the reflector dish. It's much brighter now, so we're going to try and make a shadow on the wall. We'll use it as that. We are still on 1,000th of a second, 250 ISO 1.8, and then I think the flash is on 8th power right now, but I'll talk through it. Okay, so try. You move again. Go. Yeah, you're fine. Can you try a jump, even if it's a flies again? Because I want to see what that shadow does on the wall. Okay, go. I feel like I want to shoot you, please. Okay, go. See the shadow. I like the shadow more. Do one more. What's wrong with the Okay, so we are finished. This is very bright because it's just a bare bulb. I hope that was informative. I did speak a lot during, but I don't know how clear it was. So if you want a bit more explanation, you can message me. Check out Mia's Instagram. I will credit her at the bottom. And then she apparently does have a YouTube channel, so we're going to force her to use it, and we'll see more of her in the future. Gear-wise, we were just using the 35 1.8, Sony a7iii, and then Godox, obviously Godox lighting. And then if you want any of this stuff, just message me, or I'll try and put descriptions at the bottom. Yeah? Anyway, see you guys later.